In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your experience on LinkedIn. Whether you're looking to maintain some privacy or just streamline your profile, we've got you covered in this simple step-by-step tutorial. We'll go through the process of adjusting your settings on LinkedIn to ensure you're only sharing the information you want to. First, start by navigating to LinkedIn's website. Head over to your browser and type in linkedin.com. If you haven't already, sign in using your preferred method. You can choose from signing in with Google or Microsoft accounts, or simply use your email address and password. It's important to make sure your login credentials are secure, so keep them private. Now, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might require you to verify your account. They'll send a code to your phone number, which you'll need to enter to proceed. This extra step helps keep your account secure. Once you're successfully logged in, locate your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings and Privacy to delve into the settings of your LinkedIn profile. Once you're in the Settings menu, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find various categories for different settings. Click on Visibility, which controls who can see your LinkedIn profile and its content. After selecting Visibility, you'll see an option labeled Visibility of your profile and network. Go ahead and click on that. Under this section, find Edit your public profile. When you click on this, you're presented with various toggle switches that control the visibility of parts of your profile to the public. To specifically hide your past work experience, locate the toggle for past experience and switch it to off. This will effectively hide the experience section from your profile when others view it publicly. Apart from hiding your past experience, you can also choose to hide other sections like certifications or skills if you're looking to further curate the publicly visible sections of your profile. This way you can control exactly what potential employers, colleagues, or connections see when they stumble upon your LinkedIn profile. Lastly, remember that changes to your public visibility settings might take some time to fully reflect. So if you revisit your profile immediately and find that the changes haven't appeared yet, give it a little while and then check again. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to manage the visibility of your experience on LinkedIn. By following these steps, you have more control over your profile's appearance and the information shared with others. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more LinkedIn tips and tricks.